Мостовыми конками летует, грядут бастующие в тулупах, джинсах, чертов ступе. И обнажившихся эксплуататоров теснят, отбрехиваясь.
Что там блеснуло? Держи, штрейхбрехершу. Мир юркнул в раковину. Снова предметы надели свои собственные оболочки, а церковный догматик пытался заклеить тряпочками обнаженные чресла Микеланджеловской Сикстинской капеллы. Штопором он пытался вытащить пуп из Микеланджеловского Адама. Первому человеку пуп не положен. Весна покрыта асфальтом города. Мир хочет голова! 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 У мира дьявольский аппетит! Стриптиз бастует. Он победит. And the last one I want to read you one of my poem. I wrote it when I was a student of Architectural Institute, and it was last year of our education in college, and we worked so much so hard for our diploma, and for example, my diploma has 14 long paper drawings of buildings and so on. And one day when we came to institute, everything was in fire. It was great fire in Architectural Institute, and all was down with our work. And it was terrible, sad certainly, but we were happy too, because so hard work, so tired, and we was so tired of this work and happy that it is all burned down. It is okay. But I want to add you that this time in Russia, architectural, was terrible time, because we had style of awful architectural style. These official buildings with columns, cupids, rococo style, yes, and in golden cupoles and columns, and this is and maybe we were so happy that it was burned down too, yeah, and on our designs, and for me it was all over with architecture too, because all my architecture burned down, and I became poet after it, and it was like a symbol of heaven. And just now I shall read this poem. I ask you, it is translation by Stanley Kunitz.
Fire in the Architectural Institute. Through all the rooms and over the blueprints, like an amnesty through the jails. Fire, fire. High on the sleepy facade, shamelessly, mischievously, like a red-ass baboon, a window skitters. We'd already written our theses. The time had come for us to defend them. They're crackling away in a sealed cupboard. All those bad reports on me. The drafting paper is wounded. It's a red fall of leaves. My drawing boards are burning. Whole cities are burning. 5 summers and 5 winters shoot up in flames like a jar of kerosene. Karen, my pet, oi, we're on fire. Farewell, architecture. It's down to a cinder for all those cowsheds decorated with cupids and all those rec halls in Rococo. Oh, youth, Phoenix, ninny, your dissertation is hot stuff. Flirting its little red skirt now, flaunting its little red tongue. Farewell, life in the sticks. Life is a series of burned-out sites. Nobody escapes the bonfire. If you live, you burn. But tomorrow, out of these ashes, more poisonous than a bee, your compass point will dart to sting you in the finger. Everything's gone up in smoke, and there's no end of people sighing. It's the end? It's only the beginning. Let's go to the movies.
Пожары в архитектурном, по залам чертежам, амнистии, по тюрьмам пожар, пожар, по сонному фасаду бесстыжа озорной гориллой краснозадою завивается окно. Бутылью керосиновой слез 5 лет и зим. Кариночка Красильникова, ой, горим, прощай, архитектура. Пылайте широко, коровники в амурах, рай-клубы в рококо. О, юность Феникс, дурочка, весь в пламени диплом. Ты машешь красной юбочкой и дразнишь язычком, а завтра в палец чиркнувши вонзится злей пчелы. Иголочка от циркуля из горсточки золы. Все выгорело начисто, вздыхающих полно. Все кончено, все начато. Ай да, в кино.
Thank you very much. Good evening.